Welcome to BKS Tech. Today we are going to increase the internet speed by 4 times. This video is only for educational purpose. I am not responsible for your actions. We are going to increase the speed for Vianet Home users. You can see Vianet old users have this type of Raycom device. If you watch out carefully, you can see that internet is provided with only one port, from port number 1. All 3 ports are disabled by default, but we are going to enable all 3 ports and get the same internet speed as in port number 1 in all 3 ports. If your internet speed is 20 Mbps, then you can get 20 Mbps in each port. That means your net speed will be 4 times 20 equals to 80 Mbps. If it's 30, then you will get 120 Mbps. Now let's check the internet speed from port number 1 on multiple devices simultaneously. You can see when you use multiple devices like laptops, PC and smartphones simultaneously. The internet speed is divided. Now let's start. Follow me and watch this video carefully. This is a normal setup. Every Vianet users have this kind of setup. The Ethernet wire from port number 1 of ONU device is connected to the WAN port of router as seen in this video. And internet is accessed through Wi-Fi and LAN port. In my case, blue Ethernet cable is connected from LAN port of router to my PC. Now get another LAN cable and connect one end to port number 2 of ONU device and another end to PC or laptop. I am only using 2 ports for now. You can use all ports and configure them. Now wire configuration is completed. Now let's configure these devices using PC. You will need PPPoE username and password to get internet access. You can get PPPoE password by viewing in router configuration or call Vianet customer care center for this password. Now let's view this password in router configuration. Log into router by entering username and password. Search for PPPoE username and password in router. If password is hidden, or in .format, right-click and click on Inspect Element and change it. And change type equals password to text and you can view your password. Copy and paste user and password for future use. Now get the PC or laptop which is connected to port number 2 on ONU device. We are going to configure this ONU device using this laptop. Now let's configure ONU device. After connecting the cable from ONU device to laptop, we have to configure the IP address manually to configure that device. Go to Network and Sharing Settings and click on Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on Ethernet adapter and click on Properties. And select Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4. Set IP address to 192.168.15. Set gateway to 192.168.1.254. Open web browser and type 192.168.1.254 on address bar. Now we are in the login page of this ONU device. Type username as admin and password as admin. Now click on Ethernet Management and select LAN Management. You can see port number 1, that is FE1 or Fast Ethernet 1, is tagged to VLAN 488. Copy that VLAN number. Now on port 2, that is FE2, change VLAN mode to tag, and paste that VLAN number and click OK to save this configuration. You can change and repeat this setting on port number 3 and 4 to get internet from those ports. Now let's get internet from port number 2. Open Network and Sharing Settings and click on Set up a new connection or network. Select Connect to the Internet options and click on Next button. And select Broadband PPPoE, and you will see window asking for PPPoE username and password. And type PPPoE username and password that we get from router configuration. You can change connection name to any. Now click on connecting, wait for 10 to 15 seconds, and on verifying username and password you will get internet access from port number 1 and 2 with same internet speed. Now all the configuration is completed. Let's check the internet speed on PC and laptop using port 1 and 2. You can see internet is being accessed from both port 1 and 2. Now let's test internet speed once more. You can see the internet speed is almost doubled using 2 port. You can use all ports to increase speed by 4 times. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.